How to remove Yahoo Search from Chrome. Open your Chrome browser. Click on the three dots located at the top right corner to open the menu. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, look for the Search Engine section on the left sidebar. Click on Search Engine. In the Search Engine section, first check here if Yahoo is selected. If it is, change it to Chrome. Then click on Manage Search Engines and Site Search. You will see a list of search engines currently available in Chrome. Locate Yahoo Search in the list. Click on the three dots next to Yahoo Search and select Delete. Sometimes unwanted extensions can change your search engine settings. Go back to the main settings menu and select Extensions. Review the list of installed extensions and remove any that are unfamiliar or you no longer need by clicking on Remove. If Yahoo Search persists or if your browser behaves unexpectedly, consider resetting Chrome to its default settings. Go to Settings and select Reset Settings. Now click on Restore Settings to their original defaults and confirm by clicking Reset Settings. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Thanks for watching.